Okay, so let's talk about the difference between master pages and normal pages. A master page is essentially a template or like a preset, kind of like, like a preset you get on Instagram. You can apply it at the touch of a button to a page in the way you can apply a filter at the touch of a button to Instagram. So on the Pages tab over here, which is on the right hand side, I have at the top I have my master pages. I'm actually dragging this down so I can see them fully. And then beneath that I have the actual pages of the document, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. If you are looking at the master pages, you click on them. And so here I am looking at the master page for um, A, left-hand start. Now, crucially, any changes I make to this master page aren't going to be in the final document whatsoever. These are just the presets. They're not the actual page that's going to print. So what I want to do is I want to start by applying a master to a normal page. So how do I do that? Well, down here, when I'm looking at page 2 and 3, if I'm hovering over it, you can hopefully see that it currently says none applied because we haven't applied a master page, that kind of preset, to this page yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold down Shift and click again. So I've selected both pages 2 and 3, and I am going to apply master to pages, and the one I'm going to pick out is A, left-hand start. Now, a little note on that, depending on whether your article is 3, 4, or 2 pages long, you will be told by me whether you're a left-hand or a right-hand start, because I've got to work out the whole layout of the magazine. But for now, as we're learning, let's assume everybody is a left-hand start. So I'll click A, left-hand start, and I'll click OK. Now, when I double click on my actual pages, the ones that are really going to be in the magazine, not just the presets, not the templates, but the real thing, I have now got all of these different um, preset kind of things that I can work with, headlines, stand first, text, etc. So basically, there's one little problem that we've now got to overcome, and the last little problem is if you try and click and edit on any of that, it's all locked. You can't do anything. The reason it does that is because, for example, if I wanted to put a page number on an A master, that's going to be what we're going to want that to appear on every page, and we're not going to want it to move around anywhere. But what we're going to do is we're going to unlock everything that is on this A master. So again, select both pages by holding down Shift, right click, and then go to Override All Master Page Items. So what you should now have, if you have your black selection arrow tool selected up here on the left, is the ability to click on any of these and potentially, although you don't need to do this certainly yet, move them around wherever you need.